Okay, this is just a little video to show how to create this panel page. So I've got a panel here, and on the left side it has a view that has a list of node titles. And if I click a title, I get that node displayed on the right side. So I guess it won't roll up because it has to keep doing that. But anyway, you can see that. It's displaying whatever I click on. So we'll back up and see how we did that. So first of all, I need a view. And so I have a view with two panel panes on it. There's no pages on this view. So the first panel pane is my list. So this is just a simple view, really easy. Nothing but a list of titles for node content, so pretty basic stuff. The important thing is the pane settings. So I gave it an admin title, and that's just useful when you're using panels because otherwise we're going to have two different content panes for this view, and we're not going to be able to tell which is which in panels. So that makes that easier. We want to use the panel path. That's one important setting. And I don't think there's any argument. There's no argument to select because there's no argument on this view. Then the other thing that I did with this view is I need to rewrite the display of the link. So first of all, I added the NID to the view as the first field and just exclude it from the display. So I've got the NID available to me. And then, whoops, that's the wrong thing. And then on the title, I unchecked the thing to link it to the original piece of content, and instead I opened up the rewrite results, and my view path is side by side, so I did a link path of side by side / NID. So in other words, I'm just changing the link so that the link to this node points back to the view that I'm on and appends the NID of the node that I want to look at. So that's that view. And then the second pane is the place where I'm going to display the node itself, the node that I want to view. So on that side, it's another panel pane. And again, I'm going to use the panel path. That's important. And this one has a contextual filter on it, and the contextual filter is the node ID. And I could hide the view if there's no result, but then I'll have nothing in my right-hand side column, so I could just provide a default node ID for what's going to show up if nothing else is there. So that's the way I set that up. I added a text area in the header to just say, please select an option from the list on the left, just because that made it probably easier for people to see what to do. But that's basically it. So that's the view. And then I create a panel, and if I go to pages, oops, I want to go to panels. And I used this landing page wizard to create it, but I've got this side-by-side panel that I created. And it's got a path of side-by-side. It's pretty standard. Oops, for some reason that thing's not working. Nothing important in the selection rules or the context. The layout is just a two-column layout. And then my content, on the left, I have my list. And there are no settings. And on the right, I have my full node. And you can't tell it. I'll just show what the add content looks like so you can see where this was. This shows up in the view panes. And so I have my side-by-side list and my side-by-side node. And I got that because I changed the administrative titles so that I could tell which was which. And I think that was it. I don't think there was, yeah, there's no settings, there's nothing else to do. So that's it. So I update and save. And I now have this. So that's it.